Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? I'm going to be talking to you about the Traveler Ultralight Electric Traveling Guitar by the company Traveler. This thing is awesome, and I'll tell you a little bit about why I got it. So essentially, I travel quite a bit around the US, around everywhere really. Sometimes it's for music, sometimes it's not. So when it's not, when I'm going to see family or just going on vacation, I like to be able to bring my guitar with me. The issue was, I have my full-size acoustic guitar, my full-size electric guitar, and I had those for so long, and carrying those on, planes and, just lugging them around is really, really difficult. And it just, I was torn between really wanting to be able to practice and play when I was on vacation and, having to carry them around until I found the Traveler guitar. And I'm going to tell you why I believe these guitars are so awesome, and you should definitely get one if you're a traveling guitarist. For starters, they're a full-scale build, 24-inch by 24 and 3/4 inch scale. So, you're not dealing with a miniature neck by any means. Really, you're going to feel like you're playing a full-scale guitar. The maple is on this one, moves throughout the body. I think there are different necks on the other builds, but this one has a maple neck. Really, really nice fretboard. Moves into a black satin finish. Got this, really slick matte black look to it, which, gives it that nice modern feel. It is 22 frets on this one, so again, full scale. You can really play however you usually do with your regular guitar. Back you have your standard 1/4 inch output right there. So you can plug this thing in, which is awesome. If you're not traveling with it and you have an amp at your disposal, you can definitely plug this thing in and play for real. And you play with a dual rail humbucker pickup right here. This thing sounds amazing. Obviously you can't adjust it between, adjust tone or volume or anything, so you're going to get what you get here, but even with that, it just really sounds amazing. It's got this like chicken pluck sort of sound, really tight, just kind of in your face sort of sound. I don't know how to explain it. It's really, really nice, really, really quality sound. And then you also have obviously a completely adjustable bridge, so if it needs intonation, you can do that. It comes with a truss rod. Although when I got mine, it was actually fine. It was intonated, it was in tune, it was fine. So I didn't really even need to deal with that, which was cool because, as you probably know, most guitars you do need to deal with that. Talking about the tuning system is a little unique. So obviously you can see that the way that they scaled down this guitar was by getting rid of the headstock and putting the tuners in the body, which is pretty unique. And you can see you string everything around the guitar into the back right here. And the tuners are pretty solid. Never have issues with this thing going out of tune, which is cool. And yeah. So yeah, like I said, there's no headstock. That's what makes it a little bit smaller. Also, there's the body is a lot smaller as well. There's no, it's essentially cut away, so it's, just a bit bigger than the neck realistically, where this leg rest comes in. So this is detachable, which is nice, so that makes it even smaller. And then you can reattach it when you actually start to play. This is nice because it rests on your leg, otherwise it's just weird and awkward to hold like that, so that's why this is cool. Everything you see here fits really, really nicely in the gig bag that comes with it. So I put this thing in here, you put the leg rest in the small pocket in front. Also comes with this strap right here, really nice strap, really quality. Got this like leather emblem on the front, and then your typical thing, which is cool. And it does come with the strap pins as well. There's one right here, as well as one that you can see on the back right there. So, if you are really serious and want to take this thing up on stage and play with it, you can definitely do that. I haven't done it before, but it sounds great, so I wouldn't hold it against anyone if they did. Yeah, all in all, this is like such a cool guitar innovation, and this company is really, really awesome. They have a bunch of different styles, and you know, I would highly recommend checking them out if you're looking to travel and still be able to play and whatnot. And this one is the ultralight electric, just to remind you. Yeah, definitely give them a little look, and it'll change the way you travel and play. I guarantee that. All right, take it easy, guys.